Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if something out there is looking back at you? With over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, each containing billions of stars, the question isn't whether alien life exists, but whether we're brave enough to accept the evidence that's been staring us in the face for decades. Today we're diving into humanity's greatest mystery. Are we truly alone in this vast cosmic ocean, or are we part of something much bigger than we ever imagined? Let's start with the skeptical side, because honestly, it's pretty compelling. The Fermi paradox asks a simple question. If the universe is so vast and old, where is everybody? Physicist Enrico Fermi calculated that even with a conservative estimate, our galaxy should be teeming with civilizations, yet we see nothing definitive. Critics argue that most UFO sightings can be explained by natural phenomenon, experimental aircraft, or human error. Weather balloons, atmospheric distortions, or military testing have debunked countless cases. The human brain is wired to find patterns and meaning, sometimes where none exist. We see faces in clouds and shapes in shadows, so why wouldn't we see spaceships in strange lights? Distance presents another massive challenge. The nearest potentially habitable exoplanet is over 4 light-years away. Even traveling at impossible speeds, interstellar travel would require technology so advanced that any civilization capable of it might have little interest in visiting primitive Earth. But here's where things get interesting. The believers aren't just conspiracy theorists anymore. They're pilots, military officers, scientists, and government officials coming forward with evidence that's harder to dismiss. Take the Nimitz encounter from 2004. Commander David Fravor, a decorated Navy pilot, encountered an object that defied known physics. The craft, dubbed the Tic Tac, displayed no visible propulsion, accelerated instantly, and performed maneuvers that would pulverize any human pilot. Multiple radar systems tracked the object and infrared footage was captured. The Pentagon later confirmed the videos were authentic. The 1980 Rendlesham Forest incident involved multiple U.S. Air Force personnel at a nuclear weapons facility in England. Deputy Base Commander Charles Halt and other officers witnessed strange lights and metallic craft over several nights. Halt's real-time audio recording captured his amazement as events unfolded. Binary code allegedly downloaded during the encounter contained coordinates to significant locations worldwide. Then there's the Phoenix Lights of 1997. Thousands of witnesses, including the Arizona governor, saw massive triangular crafts silently gliding over Phoenix. The objects were described as larger than football stadiums, blocking out stars as they passed. Military officials initially dismissed it as flares, but the timing and flight patterns didn't match standard military exercises. The Belgian wave from 1989 to 1990 involved hundreds of sightings of triangular crafts. Belgian Air Force F-16s scrambled to intercept objects tracked on radar. The pilots confirmed visual contact with the craft that accelerated beyond any known technology. The Belgian government released radar data and acknowledged they couldn't explain the phenomenon. Recent developments have shifted the conversation dramatically. The Pentagon's UAP task force has released videos and reports acknowledging encounters with objects demonstrating advanced capabilities. Former intelligence officers like Luis Elizondo claimed that the government has been studying recovered materials for decades. The statistical argument is staggering. NASA's Kepler mission has identified thousands of potentially habitable exoplanets. The ingredients for life, carbon, water, and organic compounds are abundant throughout the universe. If life emerged on Earth, why not elsewhere? Consider the zoo hypothesis. Perhaps advanced civilizations are deliberately avoiding contact, observing us from a distance like researchers studying wildlife. Or maybe they're already here, operating with technology so advanced that our detection methods are primitive by comparison. The truth might be more nuanced than either extreme skepticism or blind belief. While many sightings have conventional explanations, a small percentage remain genuinely unexplained. These cases, investigated by credible witnesses and supported by multiple forms of evidence, deserve serious scientific attention. Recent polls show that most Americans believe that the government knows more about UFOs than they're revealing. With increased transparency and scientific investigation, we might finally get answers to questions that have haunted humanity for generations. So are we alone? The universe is vast beyond comprehension, and life has proven remarkably resilient on Earth. Whether through radio signals, physical visitation, or eventual contact, the discovery of extraterrestrial life would fundamentally change our understanding of existence itself. So what do you think? Are we alone, or are we on the verge of the greatest discovery in human history? If you like this video, give us a subscribe and a like, and maybe share with someone that might be interested. We'll see you in the next one.